Hi students, in our last video we discussed about hydrocarbon and their classification. Students, we know that the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbon. They are mainly divided into two classes as open chain or aliphatic hydrocarbon and another is cyclic or homocyclic or carbocyclic hydrocarbons. These aliphatic hydrocarbon that may be straight chain or branch chain again divided into two classes as saturated and unsaturated. Student, we know that the compound containing all the single bond are termed as saturated. Here, hydrocarbon which are open chain and contains all single bonds are the saturated hydrocarbon, and saturated hydrocarbon are also known as alkanes. And unsaturated hydrocarbon are of two types. If the given unsaturated hydrocarbon contain carbon-carbon double bond, then it is termed as alkene. And if it contain carbon-carbon triple bond, then it is termed as alkyne. And for these cycloalkane, or we can say that cyclic hydrocarbon, we classify them into two classes as polycyclic and another class is aromatic. The cyclic hydrocarbon which resembles with alkane are termed as cycloalkanes, which resembles with alkenes are cycloalkenes, and which resembles with alkynes are cycloalkynes. So we can say that polycyclic hydrocarbon are of three types: cycloalkane, cycloalkene, and cycloalkyne. And aromatic hydrocarbon are those hydrocarbon which has properties like benzene. Properties of benzene are termed as aromatic character. Means here simply we can say that the cyclic hydrocarbon which resembles with benzene are the aromatic hydrocarbon. All these things we discussed in our last video. In today's video, we are going to discuss briefly aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons known as alkanes. So student, in today's video we are going to discuss about alkanes. About definition, we can say that alkane are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. Aliphatic word indicate that the compound is acyclic, means it does not contain a ring of carbon atoms, means open chain compound are termed as aliphatic compound. And another word in definition is saturated. Saturated indicate that the carbon has all four single bonds, means carbon in alkane is sp3 hybridized. So alkanes are aliphatic means open chain, saturated means contain all single bonds, and hydrocarbon means containing only two elements, that are carbon and hydrogen. So more precise definition of alkane is aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon are known as alkanes. They are represented by the formula RH, where R is an alkyl group. And what is alkyl group? Alkyl group is the hydrocarbon radical obtained by removing one hydrogen of an alkane is known as alkyl group. Now student, general molecular formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Here N is greater than or equal to 1, means there is alkane of one carbon. if we keep here n is equal to 1, we will get C1 2 into 1 2 plus 2 4, means we get the formula C1H4. It is not necessary to mention 1, because when we write one carbon, that is always one carbon, so we can write CH4. So this is first alkane and it is known as methane. Its name is from Mars gas. Then another member of alkane is CH3 or C2H5 if you take the value of N2. Then third one is CH3, CH2, CH3, N is equal to 3. Now these three alkanes, methane, ethane, propane, have only one molecular formula and one structural formula. So we can say that the alkane up to 3 carbon does not exhibit any kind of isomerism. Now if we take fourth member of alkane series, it will have formula C4H10, but it represents two different structures. One is like this, CS3, CS2, CS2 and CS3, and another is CS3, CS, CS3, CS3. So both have same molecular formula but different structural formula. These two compounds, one is known as N-butane and another is known as isobutane. Now these two compounds, N-butane and isobutane, are isomers of each other. Which type of isomer? So here there is difference in their structure, so we can say that they are structural isomers of each other. But structural isomers are of five types: chain, positional, functional group, metamer and tautomer. Now these two comes under the category chain isomer because they have same molecular formula but different nature of carbon chain. Means in N-butane there is straight chain of carbon atom, and in isobutane there is branching of this methyl on this second carbon. So these two are the chain isomers of each other. So student, we learn about definition, representative formula, general molecular formula, and few examples of alkane. Now we will discuss about the types of different kind of alkanes. Types of different kind of alkanes. Now alkanes are mainly divided into two types on the basis of their nature of carbon chain. If the alkane contain only straight chain of carbon, they are known as straight chain alkane, and straight chain alkanes are also known as normal alkanes, and they are represented as N alkanes. And another type of alkane is branched chain alkanes. Now, these branched chain alkanes have at least one branching on the carbon skeleton. Now, here, what are straight chain alkanes? We can say that the alkane in which none of the carbon is attached to more than two other carbon are known as straight chain alkane or N alkane. Means the alkane have carbon chain like this. Here this carbon is attached to only one another carbon, that is this carbon. Now this carbon is directly attached to these two carbon. Now this carbon is directly attached to these two carbon. This carbon is directly attached to these two carbon, and this last terminal carbon is directly attached to only one. So in this type of carbon chain, none of the carbon is attached to more than two other carbon. Such carbon chain is termed as straight chain. So alkane containing straight chain of carbon are termed as normal alkane or N-alkane. Now this type of alkane can be represented by the formula CH3 CH2 taken N time CH3. Now student, we know that methane, ethane, propane has no another isomer, but butane has two isomer, N-butane and isobutane. So condition for this N that must be greater than or equal to 2. If N is equal to 2, then this formula represent N-butane. If N is equal to 3, then this formula represent N-pentane. If N is equal to 3, then this formula represent N-pentane. N is equal to 2 N-butane, N is equal to 3 N-pentane, N is equal to 4 N-hexane, like that. So this is general representation of N-alkane. What is condition for N? N must be greater than or equal to 2. Such types of alkanes are the straight chain alkane or normal alkane, and that can be named as N-alkanes. Now, in another type of alkane, we are saying them as branched chain alkane. Carbon chain, if is like this and one carbon is here. So this middle carbon is directly attached to more than two other carbon, that is three carbon. So the open chain compound in which at least one carbon is there which is directly attached to more than two other carbon are known as branched chain alkanes. So branched chain alkanes, on the basis of their branching of one methyl group present or two methyl groups present, are divided into two classes. Means branched chain alkanes are of two types. One is isoalkane and another is neoalkane. Means here both are branched chain alkanes. Here isoalkanes are branched chain alkanes in which second carbon of the alkane carries one methyl group, one CH3 group. Here, any isoalkane must have this type of ending, or one end or one terminal must be like this. And another carbon if present, they must be in this direction. So here we can write taken n time, and terminal carbon is always CS3. So this is chain of carbon atom, continuous chain, and this one is the branching. If the alkane have methyl group branching on second carbon, such alkanes are termed as isoalkane. They are represented by this formula, and here n must be equal to or greater than 0. If n is 0, then compound become CH3, CH, CH3. Now this CH2 is 0, so here last carbon is CH3. Now all carbon atom are 4, so we can write but. All single bonds are there, butane. Then second carbon carries one methyl, for that we can write iso. So name of this compound is isobutane. It is the first example of isoalkane. If we write second member of isoalkane, then here CH2 means N is equal to 1. If N is equal to 1, we'll get CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. This compound as it contains 5 carbon. It is pent as it contains all single bonds ending ane, and it has methyl branching on second carbon, so we can use prefix here iso. So name of this compound will be isopentane. If n is equal to 2, then it will be isohexane. If n is equal to 3, then it will be isoheptane, like that. So the straight chain alkanes are termed as n alkane. Branched chain alkane in which second carbon carries methyl one methyl group are known as isoalkane. And about neoalkane, we can say that they are branched chain alkane in which second carbon carries branching of 2 methyl. Means in case of neoalkane, we'll observe the end of carbon chain like this. Remaining carbon will be here. So we can write here N, and ending carbon will be CH3. Here, this is continuous chain of carbon atoms, and this is second carbon which carries 2 methyl groups. Now, here this one and this one second 2 methyl branching is there, so it is straight chain alkane. But there are two branching of methyl group on second carbon. Such alkanes are termed as neoalkanes. And here condition for this n must be greater than or equal to 0. If n is equal to 0, we'll get the formula cs3c cs3 cs3 cs3. Here total 5 carbon are there, so we can write root word pent. All single bonds are there, we can write pentane, ane ending. And as there are two branching on second carbon of methyl group, so we can use prefix neo. So name of this compound will be neopentane. It is an example of neoalkane. It is the first member of neoalkane. Means neoalkane starts from the carbon n is equal to 5. Means there will not be any neobutane, neopropane. First member of neoalkane will be neopentane. If we require second member of neoalkane series, then we have to keep here n is equal to 1. If n is equal to 1, then we'll get formula CH2 CH3. Now in this compound total 6 carbon atoms are there, so we can write hex. All single bonds are there, hexane, ane ending, and branching of 2 methyl on second carbon, so prefix neo. So name of the compound will be neohexane. So students, while concluding the classification of alkane, we can say that alkanes are of two types. One is straight chain alkane. They are also known as normal alkane or N-alkane. Another class is branched chain alkane, and branch chain alkanes are those alkane in which at least one carbon is attached to more than two other carbon, and that branch chain alkane are again divided into two classes as isoalkane and neoalkane. Isoalkane are those branched chain alkane in which second carbon carries branching of one methyl are the isoalkane, and neoalkanes are those branched chain alkanes in which second carbon of the alkane carries two branching of methyl group. They are nothing but the neoalkane. So students, in today's video we discussed about alkane, their examples, representative formula, general molecular formula, and different types of alkanes, that are N alkanes, isoalkanes, and neoalkanes. We'll stop here. Thank you.